DEKRA High Voltage Vehicle e-Training. More and more electric vehicles are taking to the streets, but knowledge and experience regarding the safe operation, maintenance, and towing of electric cars is currently still limited. Therefore, different groups of professionals must be properly trained to be able to help owners of all kinds of electric cars in case of emergency. With our DEKRA Digital High Voltage Vehicle e-Training, we provide you with the knowledge you need to operate, repair, and tow electric cars, enabling you to help your customers in the most effective way. Our e-training provides this knowledge by utilizing an interactive e-learning platform to enable a motivating and engaging learning experience. The e-learning itself takes place in a series of short learning elements of 3 to 20 minutes, so-called microlearnings, so that the e-training can be integrated flexibly and self-paced within the working day. The learning content is presented through a mix of different media and formats, from text and images to interactive elements as well as 3D models and videos. The central element of our e-training is our learning cube, which is structured in successive and increasingly complex levels that can be unlocked one after the other by successfully completing short tests. The best part is that the training size and learning content are selected based on your needs and expectations. Upon successful completion of our e-training, learners receive a letter of participation or a certification, as well as full access to the program for a certain period of time. But most importantly, they will be equipped with a new set of skills that they can apply directly in practice. Our DEKRA experts have developed this e-training based on our years of technical automotive experience, as well as our in-depth e-learning knowledge. We are your trusted partner for the safety of e-mobility and support you with our expert services for future mobility. Would you like to learn more about our high voltage vehicle e-training, or are you interested in a demo of our learning platform? Then contact us now.